Today's video feature is how to win arguments with your spouse. Now, I will tell you that I phrase it that way to get your attention, but I also admit that that construction is inherently flawed. There is no winning arguments with your spouse. So no matter what you do outside of the home, certainly I'm a lawyer. I've been trained to win arguments. I've devoted my entire business career to winning in court. So I'm used to that format, but I will tell you nothing that you do outside of the home applies to when you're inside the home. Whenever you're having a disagreement, hopefully not an argument, but a disagreement with your spouse, and certainly you will have those, you want to set a format early on in the relationship and follow it consistently. What you do want is to have a calm, reasonable, constructive conversation on an item that you disagree about. You want both sides to know and feel that their side is being heard and considered, and you want to try to reach a compromise in everything that you know you can be compromised. There are some things that you have to hold a firm position on, but they are very, very few indeed. When both sides are heard and considered and you reach a compromise resolution, then that is a constructive way to deal with disagreements and arguments. It'll also bring you closer. Now, some of the things you don't want to do, and I have the gray hair to prove it, is you do not want to be personal. You do not want to call names. You do not want to use things that they've shared with you in the past to try to gain some sort of advantage over them. You also don't want to talk down to them. You certainly don't want to curse. And you never, ever want to threaten separation or divorce if you're not, quote, getting your way. So always try to remember you two are working together toward a common goal. You both have the same goals in mind. And if you can keep the conversation calm, reasonable, and constructive, you'll get where you want to go with less stress, less strife, and come out with a stronger relationship. I hope this helps.